Hello guys, I'm Victor from Master Pool, and guess what? I'm gonna be showing you guys another project that we're doing here in Delray Beach. But before I do, make sure you like and comment what you guys want to see on the next videos, because that always gets me excited. Come with me, let me show you.
With no one to blame, you're not alright. I'm not alright.
Alright guys, so this project, we're doing the renovation inside the pool, which is going to be new plastering and new tile on the water line and spa. So come with me, let me show you a little bit more. As you guys can notice, here is already all blacked out because we already put the bonding agent in order for the new plastering to stick on it. This pool, the diamond rod that they had was very old and it was already in very bad shape, so we had to remove about 80% of the pool and spa to make sure that everything would be done correctly.
You like to drink and to smoke to take away the pain, and I don't remember all my mistakes and every high I got low.
This part is thicker because the old plastering, it was still good. This part here is thinner because we had to break, so it came all the way from the floor up to the wall. We removed about 80% of the old plastering just to make sure that this client's not going to have a problem in the future, regardless if he's going to be living here for the next 20 or 30 years or if he's going to be selling the house. We always do something that is going to last a long time for our customers.
You don't remember all of your mistakes, and when our hearts are broken, they're out of place.
Alright guys, so right now the project is complete and I'm very happy. Just to review with you guys, we resurfaced the pool with the color sky blue. We did the demo of the pool, removed tile, removed the old plaster, did the preparation, installed the new tile on the water line and on the spa wall. We did the new plaster as well, which is a sky blue color, and the project looks amazing. Look, as if you guys can see it, when you're looking at the wall of the spa that the water is falling, the waterfall is perfect with no gaps. That means that we took our level correctly and we know how to do our jobs. Stay cool, call Master Pool.
You're not alright. I'm not alright.
And we already did the breakage of the pool. Deixa eu falar de novo.
We did the preparation of it. Vamos de novo. Efficiency and transparency. We are and transparency.